I still cannot believe I was not able to race Ironman Lake Placid last year. The energy crash was real. But you know what? I am glad it happened. Not because I like suffering, but because it allowed me to rebuild the system around my energy. And today, 2 years later, since Ironman Lake Placid 2024, I believe in my head I'm more ready than I was in 2024. So I'm 2 years older since the last Ironman Lake Placid. In 2024, my Ironman swim time, 2.4 miles, was 1 hour and 25 minutes. Guess what it would be this year? In 2024, my Ironman bike, 112 miles, was 6 hours and 15 minutes. Guess what it'd be this year? In 2024, my Ironman run, 26.2 miles, was 4 hours and 50 minutes. Guess what it would be this year? So overall, in 2024, I ended with 12 hours and 47 minutes. So effectively, I have 1 hour and 47 minutes to shave. Guess what will happen? Follow me on the Ironman Tracker. The link is in the comments to the video. And let's find out on the race day. It's coming fast. It's this Sunday. See you later.